With SOS Kitchen, and today we're making oatmeal butterscotch cookies, also known as Scotchies. These cookies are so delicious. They're super crispy on the outside, but also soft and chewy on the inside. They remind me of my childhood because my dad used to make these for us when we were little, and they're still good even today. Let's get started. You can definitely make these with a hand mixer, but I decided to do it the hard way today just to show you guys that you are able to do it. In a bowl, you're going to start with brown and white sugar. To the sugars, you want to add a stick and a half of butter. Especially if you're doing this by hand, make sure your butter is at room temperature because it will make things so much easier for you. Once you have your butter in the bowl, you want to start creaming together the butter and the sugar. I immediately realized that I had chosen the wrong tool for the job, but I'm stubborn and I did not want to clean another spatula, so I just kept going. A wooden spoon probably would have worked way better. Add in 2 eggs, and here's where you can choose to either use vanilla or do what I'm doing and add in some almond extract. I think the almond is what really sets these cookies off and makes them something special. Mix everything together until smooth. At this point, you can add in some cinnamon, some nutmeg, freshly grated if you have it, and some salt. When that's all incorporated, add your flour and baking powder. Then you're going to mix everything together until you can no longer see any dry flour. At this point, you can add in your oats and butterscotch chips. Mix everything until it's combined, and then you're ready to start portioning out your cookies. On a parchment-lined baking sheet, scoop out rounded tablespoonfuls of the cookie dough, and then I like to press mine down just a little bit so that I get slightly flatter cookies. Bake your cookies at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 9 minutes if you want cookies that are crispy on the outside but still soft and chewy on the inside. When you take them out of the oven, put them on a rack to cool. And yes, I know this is a different tray of cookies than the ones I had shown you, but, the footage was better, so, deal with it. These cookies were so good, and they make your house smell delicious. I guarantee you'll love them if you try them. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and thanks for cooking with me again. See you next time.